Are you interested in creating stunning animations right from your smartphone? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the top 10 animation apps for your smartphone, so you can bring your ideas to life with just a few taps. Let's get started. At number 10, we have Animated. This user-friendly app allows you to create frame-by-frame animations with ease. With a wide range of drawing tools and customizable options, it's perfect for beginners. Next up, at number 9, we have FlipAClip. This app offers a simple and intuitive interface, making it ideal for animators of all skill levels. It also supports the use of layers and offers a variety of animation tools. Coming in at number 8 is Animation Desk. This app provides a complete animation studio experience on your phone. It offers a full set of drawing and coloring tools, as well as the ability to add sound effects and music to your animations. Moving on to number 7, we have Toontastic 3D. This app allows you to create 3D animations using pre-designed characters and backgrounds. It's great for storytelling and sparking your creativity. At number 6, we have Stop Motion Studio. This app specializes in stop-motion animation, offering a range of features and effects to enhance your creations. It also provides a helpful onion skinning feature for precise editing. Next on our list, at number 5, is Animation Creator. With its powerful features and easy-to-use interface, this app is perfect for both beginners and advanced animators. It supports various drawing and animation tools, allowing for endless possibilities. Coming in strong at number 4 is Adobe Animate CC. As a professional-grade animation app, it offers a wide range of tools and features for creating high-quality animations. It even supports the use of vector graphics, ensuring your animations look top-notch. Moving on to number 3, we have Puppet Master. This unique app allows you to create animations using your own photos and images. With its innovative puppeteering feature, you can control the movement of your characters effortlessly. At number 2, we have Stick Nodes. This app focuses on stick figure animation and provides a range of stick figure templates to get you started. It's perfect for creating simple and fun animations on the go. And finally, at number 1, we have Draw Cartoons 2. This app offers a vast array of tools and features, making it the ultimate animation app for your smartphone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced animator, you'll find everything you need to create amazing animations. Thanks for watching our video on the top 10 animation apps for your smartphone. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Happy animating!